on this video how you can make tiny labels. So you have your file with the large labels. I'm going to show you my large labels like this. And what you're going to do is you are going to save these or export the file as PNG and save every slide. I'm not going to do this because I already did, but you would export it. Then you would find your file. I'm just going to go down and find it. Mine's right there. And it's all your little PNG slides. So it's like an image of each slide. Then you're going to come to this page of your editable PowerPoint file. You're going to take a slide, drag it over into it, and it's just an image as you see, but they're not the right size, and there's 3 on a page. So what I'm going to need to do, I'm going to need to click it, and you should see this little crop icon come up. Click the down arrow, click crop to shape, click the circle, then click it again in this box right here. It looks like black, and that's going to give you the little parameters. And you're going to drag them down and over until you make it match each circle, well, one circle at a time on your slide. So I'm going to just edge this up a little bit, and you can have a little bit of white, and then you just click outside and you have it cropped. And then you can resize them. I just drag to fit the template, and these will go on sticky labels, or you could just print and cut. Then you copy and paste. And line it. PowerPoint has little grid lines that kind of help you make sure you're in line. Then I go and I grab all of them at once. I copy all of them and I paste all of them, and I just drag them and I fill in my whole entire sheet with labels. And you continue until you are done making your sheets.